So we should now be able to continue, and it takes us to ddwrt.com. We're able to put in a username. I'll just use admin, this ADMIN, and ADMIN for the user ID and password and confirmation of password. Okay, we're taken back to the home page. Now the one thing we notice here is that the MAC address for LAN, WAN, and wireless are wrong. They're not the ones that are on the bottom. And that's because when TFTP transferred that binary file from ddwrt.com into the router, that these were the defaults that were set. So we have to reset these defaults. How do we do that? Okay, well, we go to admin, and we go to commands, and we type in the command nvram set space et0 macaddr equals, and then whatever value was on the bottom of our router. In my case, it's 001D7E. So 00 colon 1D colon 1D7E 50 7E 50 1565 15 colon 65. Okay, we have to run this command. So we've run that command, and now we have to enter yet a second command, which is nvram commit. So we type in place of that, we type nvram space commit. Okay, and when I'm going to run that, now I go back to the setup page, scroll down to the bottom, and select save. So this is going to be saved to memory in case we lose power. It's going to be remembered, and then we're going to apply the settings. It says, settings successful, unit is rebooting now, please wait. So we're now waiting for the router to respond back to us. Notice the flashing that's going on. So everything seems to be stable again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try just communicating with the router one more time. Okay, and we're back. But notice now that the IP addresses are now changed back to the appropriate IP, or the appropriate MAC addresses that were on the bottom of, on the sticker on the bottom of the router. So that's how you use it. This is how it's set up. Wireless connections, as I told you, there's a number of different features. If we want to have a client or a bridge client, which would allow us to communicate wirelessly between a remote location and our primary router, we can do that with either a repeat bridge or a client bridge. and basically this provides you with software that, and with the firmware provides you with features that you never had with the original Cisco software. So remember, I have these files that can help you, can basically summarize the entire procedure that I've used. And if you send me an email at al@avfconsults.com, I will send you a PDF copy of these 2 pages. Have a great day and hope to hear from you soon.